Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, very impulsive moves to the downside. We still don't have that breaker structure that really proves that this definitely is the end of a wave 5, but most likely it is the end of a wave 5 because I see a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves of 5 plus a nice 1, 2, 3, 4 of the bigger wave trend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the big trend, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the wave 5. So if it really is the end of a wave 5, then eventually it definitely will take out the low of wave 4. But it potentially could take a year or more for that to happen. So definitely wouldn't really concern yourself with that as of now. Going down to the weekly time frame, I definitely think this whole move down is a wave A, and I'm still not even really convinced that the wave A or wave 1, if this is the end of a wave 5, then it likely is a wave 1. But I'm still not really convinced that this wave A or wave 1 is over yet. And for me personally, it's definitely not important to know the difference between whether it's an A or 1, because the trading strategy is exactly the same whether it's a wave A or whether it's a wave 1. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I've been saying for a while now, the last most recent structure level is way up here, which is why I still think that there's a 1, 2, 3 in here. I still think this is a wave 4, and I still think this is actually more likely to make another attempt on the downtrend for wave 5 to complete the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a little bit of a three wave to the upside. We do have a nice impulsive move down. When I had my Fibonacci retracement on this move, this right here was a pretty decent little Fibonacci bounce. So if this is the end of a crescent, then this should now be continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. Doesn't mean that there's not going to be some moves to the upside, but for a trend trader, that is actually great news because that should give you an opportunity to go short at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this downtrend, which I think is likely a wave 5. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally would definitely be looking for shorts right now. I would be looking for three-wave pullbacks like this back here, 1, 2, 3 waves up, impulsive down to go short. So one up is probably a wave A. I'd probably have to wait patiently for a crescent, and then another impulsive move up for a wave C. So 3 waves up, impulsive down is exactly what I'm looking for. Lower high, lower high, lower high to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. I am definitely a trend trader, so I will not be going long, but instead I'll be patiently waiting for the end of this correction to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.